Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to control the camera on your iPhone with this watch. Before we start, if you want to control the camera on your iPhone with this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Now, let's open the camera application on our watch. To do it, wake up the screen on it by pressing the crown button or the side button. And after you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the camera icon. It looks like this. Once you find it, tap on it to open the camera controls. Come on, like this. And once you open the camera controls app on your watch, it will open the camera watch on your iPhone. And you can basically use your watch to take pictures on your iPhone. That's how it works. To take a picture, you can simply press on the shutter button and it will start the countdown. And after it's done, it's gonna take a photo. But you can also customize a couple settings for it. You can tap on the more options icon here and you can turn on or off the timer, so the countdown. You can change between the front or rear cameras. You can turn on or off the flash. You can also turn on or off the live photo option, and you can turn on or off the HDR. You can also tap on icon here to check the photos you took. Okay, and once you're done, of course, you can press the crown button to close the app on your watch and on your iPhone. And that's how you control the camera on your iPhone with this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.